So, hey guys, we're back in Denmark from a long trip to Budapest. And we are now in Helsingør, close to Kronborg. And we're at the food market, Værftets food market. And it's looking pretty nice, you know. You have all of these colors, which are pretty cool. It's a very nice place. There are like a lot of restaurants with different themes, Indian, Italian and stuff. So let's have a look, alright? So if you want, you can also like exchange a book. You leave a book and take a book. It's a very cool concept. So people get reading again instead of watching their mobile all the time. So we ordered these crispy chicken gyoza. They look so delicious. Some used to steam them, but I think they have been putting them in the fryer. So let's taste it. We have some teriyaki sauce, which is very common. Wow, so much flavor and taste in it. I think it's some of the only places in Helsingør where you can get this kind of, what you call it, Asian food. So apparently there are like about 15 different stands here. There's Indian food, there's Italian food, there is sushi, there's a lot of stuff. And the whole concept is very like urban. Like in this room I'm walking in now, there are like couches everywhere. It's cozy, it's nice. What a chandelier. So now we tried the Syrian Tapas. It's a mix of rice, it has falafel, some vegetables, this strange thing which I don't know what is really. It looks strange. There's hummus, there's some kebab, real Syrian kebab, and it's just covered with different vegetables, so that's nice. Let me try it. Wow. Wow. It's very nice to have all these vegetables. Perfect. So let's get to it. The food market was open in 2017 and has since then grown a lot. There have been many different stands here. You can definitely get some very special and unique cuisine, which you have maybe to go to Copenhagen to get. So I just read that their vision for this place is to make people come together more, and that's a pretty neat thing because here in these corona times people have been far from each other, so now they want us like to get back to society again, and that's pretty nice, you know. This place is all about joy and happiness, and as we all know, food is what makes us come together, and that's a way to share experiences. So yes, it's just amazing down here. It's a very cool place, and you should definitely come here and check it out.